Low float WLDS is on the move in this pre-market session of today, the 29th of April 2025. We haven't seen any news behind this spike, behind this the gains as it's printed now, which is, as you can see, over 100%. We've seen the highs of around $2.93. If we take that 2.93 and then two is it 2.93, 2.93, and take this lower price of let's say 2.93 and 2.5, so we'll have a difference of 0.43. So with that we might be able to try and project the prospects of the sort of levels it can print, but there is no justification for high highs because the stock is already has already printed a lot of gains in just one session. You can see now it's added 10% since that time. Let's see now. So it's the difference we have is 0.43 multiplied by 1.618. We have 0.69574. Add that to the current price of 2.54. We have 3.23. 3.23 is what we have for WLDS to 3.24 approximately. So multiplied by 2.618, add that to the current price of 2.58, have 3.7, another projection. And then we have 3.618. We have 4.13. So we have projections of 3.24, 3.7, and 4.13. Don't bank on them. No guarantee that those sort of prices will print. So let's see now. Let's compare them to the projections we have here. We have here this projection was not in play. It's not in play at the moment, but can still come up. May prove to be a resistance 2.66 below our projection. 3.03. Okay, a slight discount to our projection of 3.24. It may also prove to be a resistance. Here we have a 3.24. Exactly, we have 3.24 on the nick. Exactly 3.24. No guarantee that this will print as well. It also may prove to be a resistance. Here we have 3.63. We don't have that. We have slight discount to our own projection of 3.7. So yeah, let's see now. We might be able to read out more projections. So we have a down projection here of 1.54, served as a support some time ago, but based on what's going on now and in the broader market, on all the data available to our goals, it is projected that it's going to moderate. You can see here, this is the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages. So this expansion is expected to begin to contract. It's going to begin to very soon. It may begin to. It's expected that pretty soon. By the time you're watching this may have happened or may not have happened. It may contract this volatility expansion, and you can see that cycling now into the extrapolation of the 10 and 21 period moving averages emphasizes that contraction. They're extrapolating to form a wedge, and that is where the price is trading into or may trade into. Usually this tends to happen. And after that contraction, and then we can see there's another expansion trying to being also extrapolated as well. So after contracting, it may attempt to expand again, but at the same time things can totally change. By the time the market opens, all of this might change as well. So I want to believe, okay, we can quickly have a look at the market grid to give us an impression of what the grid we should be trading in should be. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we have that. We should have that here. Down here, we'll have this is the grid here. I think it's already trading way outside of the grid, so you have to be careful. We have to be careful. Yeah, the grid is 1.83. Yeah, the range is between 1.34 and 1.76, even though it has external values 1.83 from at this sort of level. you shouldn't be in there at all. As a matter of fact, this is the stock has gained so much, you should be careful. But I think this needs to be revisited, if you don't mind, because I think it hasn't probably taken into it hasn't taken cognizance of what's going on but yet at the same time a gain of 113% will most certainly tell you that it's not the best time to it's the it should tell you that this is the best time to be. It's not it tells you that you should be out right now, not especially not trying to get in, especially if you're trying to get in. If you're there already, you should be considering coming out. So this is what it is. Yeah. Okay, we have this intraday high of 3.29, also a slight premium to our projection of 3.24. This printed sometime in on the 23rd of April. That was Wednesday. Yeah, about a week ago. Yeah. So the WLDS on the move has expanded massively. Just be careful and don't get caught out, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.